For me, the best feature of Java 21 would be virtual threads, because I really hope it will discourage teams from entering the dangerous world of reactive programming to better use resources and threads. I'm teaching reactive programming, and I've seen terrible code bases and horrible bugs and even problems, even with experienced teams using reactive programming. So I really hope virtual threads would allow us to avoid that, entering that world, unless we really need to stream asynchronous events. Java can learn from other languages a lot of stuff, but we have to realize that the attitude of Java has always been to stay behind the other languages, to watch those languages experiment with different features and see what they end up with. So it's on purpose. Not to mention the huge code base, the huge legacy code base that Java has to support. Lambda and method references, which surely can be improved, are far superior in other languages like Scala and Kotlin. We really miss the val keyword in Java. We have var, but val would be better. String templating and basically interpolation, like it's called in other languages, it's now in preview in Java 21, but it was long awaited. At least I was very interested in that. And destructuring would be a nice addition, where you could assign a variable to the result of a function, and the variable can be already expanded into the fields composing that object. When Project Loom and its friends, structured concurrency and scope variables will start to be fully used, thread pools will slowly become an anti-pattern. Thread pools that have been here for almost 3 decades will start to be avoided. And so completable futures and the way we do asynchronous programming, along with reactive programming, with change dramatically, will take quite a hit. The enhancement proposal for Java that I'm waiting, you might be surprised, but I'm really interested in the string templates, in concatenating a string using a shorter syntax. It's something that we use very often, and I really think it will increase the quality of life of a Java developer. Java surely is a good language for newcomers. Other languages like HTML and JavaScript might get you a job faster, but if you aim for quality of life in the medium-long term, Java is the language for you. I mean, like C++ and C projects feature large legacy code bases. Scala enclosure, Erlang, other niche languages, it's very hard to find a job with that. And Kotlin is, although a wonderful language, has too little, let's say, market share, much less than I would like it to have. Furthermore, most books to learn stuff, design, architecture, they feature Java code samples, because even if it's slightly verbose, Java has a very clean syntax that anyone can understand. So it definitely is a good language for newcomers. And the feature that I believe Java lacks the most, I would love to see a more compact Lambda syntax, but I know it's hard to introduce in the language in this stage, so probably a more reasonable addition that can be that I would love to see is the val keyword, like a final var.